Hey now. What's going on, peeps?
What's happening?
Chilling.
How's the bike?
What's going on, fellas? Finally here. Now we got a couple of more.
Oh yeah. When I don't remember.
Oh snap! What's going on, man? What's going on, sir?
You made it.
Yeah, see, you know me, dog.
Are you?
Only thing that looks that way. Everybody that looks that way.
Oh, they go road. Mean Gene pulling up. GR, late as usual. What's up, sir? You made it. I'm surprised. It's gonna be a good one.
Other than that, now we're going to talk about the route that we're taking. So, Extreme Pizza, 528.
Mini Mayhem. We ain't see you, Oz.
You talking about? I was right there.
You was? You hit 50 the S-turn?
Yeah, I was watching everybody fall off, go the wrong way, get left. I got it
Man.
on video.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay. All right.
I was holding my head.
Meeting for the clubs.
What's up, woman? I went to, what do you call it? We got a table all the way in the back. Ozzy KP. Huh? What's up? Oh, wait a minute. There you go. Boom. What's going on, Miss Lady? That's free. Whose helmet is this? Oh, KP? Oh, okay. No, you're good.
She's gonna put that
I mean, they got a bike night, but rather than someone up there, it's going to probably be empty. I'm thinking. I know.
You don't leave till another hour, 45 hours.
Bro, we was like, the bus was like maybe.
I use and I abuse. Okay, fellas, how was that ride up here?
Oh, ride was good until I started, shoulder blade.
Shoulder blading. Oh.
Blade runner.
What kind of score will you give it? Out of 1 out of 10, 10 being like one of the best rides ever for city blasting.
For me because I couldn't see the rest in the front.
I give it about a 5, 4.55. Oh, 4.5. This y'all being interviewed. What score you give this ride? 1 through a 10. 10 being like the best, baddest ass ride you ever been on.
It's moving, though.
Five.
Moving, but safe. Is
Yeah. That seemed to be the consensus. Ozzy gave it an 8. KP gave it a 5. I gave it a 5. 7 point. Okay, you must have had clear highway.
No. I mean, yeah.
What about you? What do you get?
Oh, I got left, so I cannot wait this ride.
Okay. 1 to 10. What do you get this ride? 10 being the baddest ride you ever been on. 1 being some trash. What do you give it? I already got consensus from 2 other groups.
I'm alive. 3 until the end. Until I waited.
Yeah, the consensus is about a 5, 4.5 to 5. Okay. All right, fellas. This interview, what do you get that ride 1 through a 10? You know,
It's a 10 for me.
it was a 10 for you?
10 for me.
We must have had clear highway, man.
10 for me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why you
I
say
like
that?
that type of shit though.
Oh, I know.
I'm about to say, yeah. I'm gonna say an 8 or a 9.
Okay.
Sure.
All right, so
Like you said, because it wasn't that open road that we would like
yeah.
in the best conditions, but
yeah.
you know, we made the best of it.
All right, so here's the consensus. The consensus is Group 1, 5. Group 2, 4.5. Group 3, we got 5s and we got some 3s. And Group 4 said 8s and the 10s. So we're gonna rate this ride. We're gonna give it a 5.625
On the GR scale.
on the GR scale. This was mainly because you were hurting cats on the Beltway.
Cats on 295.
We had people everywhere. We had shoulder bladers. We had triple jihadis.
And I'm sure
I wasn't doing nothing crazy back then.
No, I was just
But
saying.
you made me lead it for a few times. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
What you say, Gene? You don't want to feel that pressure. That pressure.
What you feel like, Gene? What you feel like? You feel like
Got Mr. Shoulder Blader.
I told KP,
Pressure.
behind me, I be pressured, man.
That pressure. High blood pressure.
Sweating in my helmet. My gloves get all sticky.
The pressure.
Hey, so how was your bike acting again? You said it was kind of off, on. And then when you hit it today, you said you got a stiffy.
Pull. I'm sitting there and I'm getting why am I getting pushed back off my seat? I said, oh man, because I enjoy this thing. This thing feels good. It's feeling good. I said, let me calm down.
We got Vaughn out here dropping knowledge and enjoying this Kawasaki ride.
Like the spray, she's starting to feel. I ain't gonna lie, my 2016 is still my favorite of them all. The catch is every time a new one come out, it feels closer and closer to all the bullshit that I do to the bike.
So
that's
it's
why,
less work for you to do.
Yeah, that's why I could ride this one so long without doing my typical modification. Like I just shimmed it. Oh, this was like trouble. What happened to Ozzy? Oh, he probably went with KP. Oh well, this camera now. It's classic late night shenanigans. Waiting on one to come up. I thought Gene was going with us for real. You found it?
I did, but I threw them out because it was fucking my eyes up.
You threw them away? All right, you don't need no gas? Okay. All right, I'm gonna